Welcome to the Embedded Vision Summit 2020. I'm Oliver Gunasekara, and previously I was the CEO and co-founder of NGCodec. And so today I'm going to talk for about 10 minutes about the startup journey from launching that company to acquisition and some of the key takeaways that I learned over the 7 years that I ran the company. So let's get going. So a little brief background on NGCodec. The company was formed in the summer of 2012 and it was really focused on a new emerging video standard called H.265 or high efficiency video codec. And initially our strategy was to do an IP business model, a bit like license and implementation for people to go and make chips. But basically we failed. No VCs wanted to give us any money. They didn't believe there was an opportunity to create another big IP business. And so we basically, for almost 2 years, lived without any salary. Ultimately, though, I came up with this idea of what if data centers adopted FPGAs, and what if we deployed our video encoder in a data center using an FPGA. And so that's where we put together a new investment deck and ultimately were successful at the end of 2014 in raising a $3 million seed round. Once we had that, then we had to hire, and we opened an office here in Sunnyvale. But ultimately, we found there was great talent up in Canada, and so we opened an office there. Then we convinced Xilinx to invest some money. As a strategic, they cared more about the value that we could bring to their platform. So we agreed a statement of work with milestone payments based on us meeting those milestones. And ultimately, we started to win FPGA customers. I was given the opportunity to give a live demo on the AWS re:Invent conference in 2016 as Amazon announced and launched the F1. And that was a great experience. And then a few years later, Twitch selected the NGCodec video encoder because of its compression efficiency gains for live video. And then last year, Xilinx acquired the company, and we delivered about a 5x return for the investors. So a good result. Everyone made money. Everyone that wanted a job at Xilinx got one. So that's a brief summary of NGCodec.